Scarecrow. He was standing in a field, chasing all the birds away. Whenever there was a bird that came to pick some of the wheat grains, he would sing, "Ooh, ooh, ooh, ooh." One bird comes flying down. Ooh, 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 ooh. The bird gets scared.
Oh no!
And flies away.
Fly, 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 fly.
Another bird comes flying down and the Scarecrow tries to scare it away. Ooh, 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 ooh. Of course, this bird gets scared too.
Oh no!
And flies away.
Fly, 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 fly.
At night, the Scarecrow gets sleepy.
If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap, take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap.
But he doesn't want to fall asleep. So that's why he decides to do a little dance to keep him awake.
Scarecrow,
Scarecrow, touch the ground. Scarecrow, Scarecrow, touch the ground. Scarecrow, Scarecrow, reach up high. Scarecrow, Scarecrow, touch the sky. Scarecrow, Scarecrow, bend down low. Scarecrow, Scarecrow, touch your toes.
But there was one bird who thought,
"Oh, poor Scarecrow. He can make a little dance and he can sing a little song, but he can never travel like me. I can fly through the sky. Fly, 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 fly. But the Scarecrow just has to stand there and do nothing. I know. Let's take the Scarecrow on a trip."
I can go by bike. I can go by car. I can go by truck. I can go by plane. I can go by train. I can go by boat. I can go by bus.
Then the bird says,
"Abracadabra."
He gives the Scarecrow a little present. It is a pair of shoes, and they are very special because they are magic shoes with wings. He says,
"Listen, Scarecrow. When you feel sad or lonely, put on these magic shoes and fly up to the sky and come by to say hi. Goodbye."
Goodbye.
And then the Scarecrow and the bird lived happily ever after.